Go there and you can even make connections with when you get out, you can help each other. Ukuthi senza kanjani kuyale, senza kanjani kuyale, kwasha kwacima and all of those stuff. But go there and show yourself. Yeah? No, they must sell me that brown couch. They must sell me that brown couch. But go there and show yourself. Go there and show yourself, people. There's no time to relax. I mean, I'm not going to relax anytime soon. If you think I'm going to relax anytime soon, never. And I'm never going to relax until I'm wealthy. Yazi ukuthi most wealthy imali suke isisebenza. Until I'm wealthy and ngiphakamise nabanye abafowethu abakhona uma nginamandla, because akuphoqelekile. Because sometimes people will come to you and say, we voted for you, so take my son, what, or maybe take that guy. But when I have the capacity to help other people, I'm gonna help them. I'm not that lokuzan. I'm not that person to not help each other, but I'm gonna help when the capacity is all right. Yeah. And these people who keep on asking me money, some people are there on Instagram saying, can you please buy me iPhone 17? I'm doing matric. That would be nice. How? Oh, bro. Buy me iPhone 17. How? Okay. They're consistent. Yeah, can you please borrow me money for rent? How? But wait. Now I'm trying to work like everyone. I'm trying to work like everyone. Now I'm trying to work. Now I'm trying to be stable enough. Anginamuzi. I still need to save money to buy a house. Maybe not now. Maybe later. You understand? Ngicela rent yama iPhone. Kambe what else? Hi. It's not even here over. After Big Brother, it's not even here. There it's gonna close. But also Nami, I don't have something tangible as of far. You understand? Let's work. Let's work. I mean, I'm not gonna stop anytime soon. I'm working. They say you work until your wheels fall off. I'm working. And I want to gig very much. Well, this December, I want to gig very much. I want to gig. And now I want to shift from just a Big Brother winner to what? To being a musician or an artist, an actor. Now, because already there's other people who are going on another Big Brother Mzansi. There was Nigeria now. It finished. There's also next year. So I want to move from just a Big Brother. Not to move per se, but just to be an established someone. To say I'm Akona Matemba, an artist, or maybe an actor, or maybe a presenter, and maybe a jack of all trades even. Who knows? You understand? A jack of all trades. You understand? So in the a barber. Yes, a barber even. There's my email. Who's saying can I book you? There's emails. Yeah, my email is there. You can write an email. Yeah, bo. Write an email. Sizophendula. Ngiya mama right khathi zokuphendula. Lesotho, Botswana, and I've never been to Botswana. I've never been to Lesotho. I've been to Swaziland. I've never been out of the country as yet. Maybe might be during December. I've never been out of the country, but I've never also, even Northwest, I think Pelangaya, Ngoba, in except Sun City, Northwest, I don't know. It's in English in there. But yeah, I still need to tour South Africa. I've never been to East London. I've never been to I've never been to Kimberley. I've never been to. I've been to Val. I've been to Pretoria also, but I've never performed in Pretoria or got a booking from Pretoria. I've never been to Polokwane. Free State, I've studied in Free State, but I've never performed anything in Kronstadt. I've never been there. I've never performed in Harrismith, Free State. Able? So I still need to tour all of those places. In Newcastle, a place close by, but I've never. And I want to be booked as an understand. But I'm gonna make music, and then I'm gonna be established in the Potchefstroom. I've never been there. I think it's in Northwest also. I want to be established in the music industry. Mahiking, Opongolo. So I want to be established, and until I am established, maybe if I can only have one hit, that is gonna set the bar to say I can sing a corner. I'm gonna set the bar, and it's gonna come. Whether now, whether next year, whether later, whether 2 years, but it's gonna come. It's gonna come, and it's coming, and I am coming. With God's grace, I am coming. I am coming. And also, people, don't forget to stream the music, no? Please. Stream Internet. That song I just played is not out yet. The hip-hop songs are not. Kupuka is not out. Umgan is not out. Yo, there's a lot of songs. There's the one I'm also going to record tomorrow. I think about 3 or 4 or 5 songs. I'm still going to record. I only have 1 piano song or maybe 2. I'm also going to record maybe like 5 songs of my piano. And then I have, I think, 2 drums, and then 2 Afro house. Yeah, boy. So yeah, Maskandi, yeah, 2-step. Which one is 2-step? 3-step is. Yeah, so all genres, check off all trades. I'm telling you, it's going down. It's going down. I'm gonna release a solo, don't worry. Oh, the Rasta song, the Rastafarian song. Aye, there's a lot of them. There's my pen. Rastafari, jobless, man, when the flu. But particularly,
Me?
who got friends in? Oh, we're in Oklahoma.
Yeah, Oklahoma.
You're in Oklahoma, boy. You're in Oklahoma. Kahle kuze kwimfana, boba matomu wemfana. Qondisa indlela zakho, iqondisa indlela zakho. Awuyimi na. Oh na 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 na. Living out hustle.
People, please don't come for me, yo. Don't come for me, yo. It will resume soon. Please be patient. We are trying to avoid copyright. That is why I muted music here, because they are playing music. It will resume shortly. Thank you for your patience.
Me, please talk to me. Okay. Do something, brother. Do something here with the song. If you really want the song, bonani ukuthi nenzani ngayo ezongikhombisa mina ukuthi you really want the song. Do something. Do something. If you want the song, do something with it. Do something with it. Show me you want the song, huh? Show me you want the song. Show me you want the song. Do something with the song. Show us your creativity. Show us your creativity, boy. Show us your creativity, boy. Show us your creativity. Sikhombisa ukuthi ungenzani. with the song. Sikhombisa ukuthi ngenzani with the song. Yeah? You really want the song? Do some. Do a little some with it. You understand? Do a little some with it. That's it. Okay, it seems like people want Iqola. But no, play Iqola for the last time that we did. Play Iqola for the last time that we did. Okay. So we're gonna release a clip, say maybe similar to Iswelele, just a video so you can take the sound and do your creativity with, and then so we're gonna release the snip shandies. We're gonna release a clip, then you can use and show us your creativity, and you must show us very hard and very nice. You understand? Then again we did. Then we did. Papi, good night. Ozalwa nami today, happy birthday. And wonke umuntu ozalwa nami kule nyanga, good things. Good things only from now on till infinity. Good things. And also happy belated to Sister Batso ubenzala umhla ka1. And also uyazalwa uSiya Imbongi in just I think it's 3 days from now. I think Saturday or Friday, umhla ka25 or 26, I'm not sure. But happy birthday in advance, Siya Imbongi. When we go to be a subbing! Siya Imbongi, we're going to be a subbing! So happy birthday, my boy. 31 October, happy birthday, people. Sunday, Zalwa Sunday, Usiya. So Sunday, sizowishela uSiya Imbongi uthi happy birthday. And happy birthday very much. So thank you very much, people. 16 October, 29 October, everyone. Tomorrow, Mazet, tomorrow, happy birthday in advance. Thank you. Let me love and leave you. Mwah, mwah, mwah.
But claim your lion.